Spirit started talking to me about gratitude, it must be 7 years ago or so now. And especially in winter times, like we're on the west coast of Canada, both of us, and there can be a lot of rain. It gets dark at like 4 p.m. Uh, and so it was a December, 7-ish years ago, maybe, yeah. And I decided I was going to do this gratitude practice on Facebook every day. I don't know if I did it for 2 weeks or a month, but for every day I posted something I was grateful for, and I posted it on Facebook just so it would be public. Just that like practice of like making myself do that and like focusing on gratitude, thinking about what's going right. Because it's easy to spiral. And so I was just like, keeping my thoughts elevated and putting my focus there. Yeah. And I also remember like reading a book by this woman, and she talked about gratitude practices and stuff, and there were some podcasts and that as well. And I remember actually having like almost like anger and like annoyance, like, oh my God, like stop talking about gratitude, like gratitude this, gratitude that, like just F off, okay? Like it was a very just like stopping, you know? Like I don't know what like density in me. Um but I was just like, okay, right, everything's perfect for you. That's great. Like super fantastic. But if you could just stay over there a little bit more because it's super effing annoying. So that was a feeling that came up for me as well in the beginning around gratitude. And so it's funny to like look years later and be like, no, I'm the one talking about gratitude.
Mm,
And it's not because everything's perfect or things are more perfect than they were before. It's just like an internal structure change and like going towards what makes you feel uncomfortable instead of being like, F off. It's like that makes me feel a bit uncomfortable, but I know it's good for me, so I'm gonna move into the awkwardness and discomfort.
mm. So interesting. A little bit of like a pushback against that feeling that the people that are all on about gratitude have a perfect life or something, and
Right.
it really doesn't need to be that way. I remember I read this fabulous book. It was a novel about these people living in Soviet Russia, and then they got sent to the Gulag and were living in horrible conditions.
Gosh.
And um, after reading that book, I was like, oh my God, I'm so grateful that I don't live in the Soviet gulags,
Mm-hmm.
and to just be grateful for having food and water
Mm-hmm.
and freedom from slavery.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I'll often do a gratitude journal at night where I just jot down point form things that I'm grateful for. And for a while after reading that book, the first item was freedom from slavery. And it's like, you don't need to have a perfect life to experience gratitude for what you have. I think that's a big piece of the magic is uh, whatever you have, whatever you're lacking, it's like if you can put your focus, your attention on the things that you do have,
Mm-hmm.
that's like fuel for the fire to build up spirit and then be able to move forward in life to go for more.
And it
Um,
like multiplies, like it multiplies that feeling. It's like I had a friend, I mean, people say this, but I had a friend who was saying this too. She's like, what you focus on grows. So it's like, yeah, you're like multiplying that feeling and you're welcoming more of those actions towards you. Cause that energy and the atmosphere is like, oh, this lady likes hot water. We're gonna keep making sure that she's got hot water in her shower. Or like she likes men who do kind things for her. We're going to make sure like that creates like a pathway of energy. Like the energy is like, oh, there's a spot we can go to because this lady likes it or that man likes it. So it's like, it's creating like energetic, safe pathways. Like I like cute cats. So cute cats show up on my walk because they know it's safe to come towards my energy.
mm, like a form of manifestation
Hmm.
in a way.
Yeah.
You said hot water. I just got to say, I am so grateful for my shower. And I think of it as this like waterfall, this hot waterfall that I get to bathe in every day.
It's
And
glorious.
it's glorious. And it can be so easy to live life and not appreciate that. thing that we have, that there are many people out there in the world that don't have access to a hot shower,
Mhm.
or their hot water is very limited.
And I have experienced not having hot water for weeks.
Yeah, I've experienced it as well while traveling.
Yeah, traveling.
And in my mind, gratitude is a muscle like anything else. And the more that we work it, the stronger it becomes.